Iquitos is known as the capital of the Peruvian Amazon. It is the largest city in the world that cannot be reached by road. In the late 1800s, the city became the center of export of rubber production from the Amazon basin. The remains of many large steamships lay abandoned on the river's banks, slowly being reclaimed by the jungle. Today, the city of Iquitos is home to 500,000 people. Almost a fifth of the population live here, in a district called Belen. Seasonally, the water level can rise by as much as 6 meters, so most of the homes here either float or are built on stilts. As the largest city in hundreds of miles, Iquitos is a vital trading nexus for the people of the Amazon. Many inhabitants of the smaller surrounding villages come daily to the open-air Belen marketplace to buy, sell, and trade. Anything you can dream of is for sale. Every morning, the crowded market is home to a dizzying variety of produce, meat, live animals, spices, and folk medicine. Fishermen clean their daily catch of river catfish, piranhas, and tambaqui. After a long day of trading in the big city, the merchants pack their things and prepare for the long journey home. Returning to their villages for some much-deserved rest.